Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display average rating number of review with count number in WooCommerce archive pages using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. Now you see rating. Now go to category page. Also you see rating. So we are going to display average rating number with review and count number. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see rating. So this is for average rating, and then you see HTML, and then you see review count number, and this is our text, custom text review, and then you see class rating -wrapper. So you can add custom CSS for this style according to your requirement by using this class. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page. Now refresh the page. Now you see average rating number 4.00, and then you see total review 2. Go to category page, also refresh the page. Now you see average rating 5.00, and then you see total review 1. Now you see text reviews. Back to code. Now in code you see we added this text. This is for average rating, this is for review count number, and this is our custom text. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.